We're on a suspension bridge right now.
We're on the suspension bridge. Where is our girl? So silly. What is this? Okay. Alesha 2.0.
Oh?
No, Alesha part 2. That's what we're going for.
Okay.
That's what I was trying to say. Coming in.
Coming in hot, hot, hot. I don't know what to do now. I'm camera shy.
Take 2. What did we do today?
We went on a walk.
We went to Wendy's.
We went. Yeah, we're not gonna
talk about
that. We're currently lost at the moment.
We're not lost.
We're lost.
We took the easy way.
No, we did not. Car's over there. We're still walking this way. I don't really know.
I feel like
don't really
background.
know. Oh my god. We're lost.
We're not. Oh my fucking god.
Oh.
Alesha thinks we're lost. We're not lost. We're just taking the long way round. Oh look, there's the road. What are you talking about?
I know, but where's the car?
Back on the bumpy road.
Yeah, this is the 7.4 kilometer hike, I think.
Is that what you think we saw those people doing back there?
Like, we took a long detour, but at least we found it, and I think we did the exact same detour.
I don't know.
Cheers to that.
Whew.
Yeah.
We're not lost. How are we gonna get down? We're gonna like be attacked by a bear. Where are we going? Why are we going this way? How are we supposed to? I'm not jumping through that. My legs will be destroyed. There's probably like poison ivy or something in there. Okay, we got this. I don't particularly want to walk back the way we came. Let's keep going. We'll make it. Ooh. Here, waterfall.
Wind.
Oh, is it wind? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, don't wait. What if the bear comes out? And he's like, rah!
Well, at least he's got blood.
Not. Stop it! Why are you screaming? You're making me jump. Oh. Girl, it's not funny. I have a bad feeling we're gonna.
A really long way.
Do you think this is the way the people came up?
Yeah. I think so.
Can we not see on maps?
No.
Oh darn. Oh. Okay. So we took the wrong trail.
Girl, your runners don't have any grip. We're very little.
Yeah. We took the wrong trail. We're now climbing down the side of a mountain.
Wait. Oh, never mind.
What were you gonna do? Pee? Oh, okay. So this is our view. Literally the side of a road. Okay, I'm gonna put you away before I smash this. That's what we just walked down very dangerously. Now we're on the side of a road. Oh.
Okay, because we did the same thing we did.
Yeah. Well, where the hell would that trail would have led?
All the way back there. Because there was 2 trails, the left and the right, and we went to the left.
Oh.
Yeah, I think we're supposed to be
The way we came.
Yeah.
Oh no, there was a trail going down.
Oh.
Yeah, up to the right.
I didn't notice that.
Because it is a loop. But
Whoopsie.
We did a big loop.
At least we did a mistake on a small hike.
yeah.
Imagine.
Goodness. Wow, look how far they are up ahead. And we got there first.
I know.
Damn.
We were being safe turtles, okay? We're being very safe and taking it easy. Oh. And I don't mind walking on flat ground. Easy. Shut up. We're not doing that. I'll be like, go get the car. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. James can go get the car.
Ballet!
So we're on hike number 2. No, you're fine. What are we doing? Troll Falls. That's where we're going. Hike number 2. Oh, I need to pee again. Why do I need to pee? Why are you laughing?
Good job. Good job.
Shut up. Oh. All these branches are creaking and a bear's gonna pop out. She scares me, man. You cheeky sausage. What do you say? You say silly goose. I like it when she goes, holy smokes. What does Ron Weasley say? Bloody hell.
Bloody cow.
No, he doesn't say bloody cow. He says bloody hell.
Oh.
You silly goose. Is there something behind us?
No.
No. Whoa.
It is now my walking stick.
It's a big walking stick, girl. You're Gandalf.
Oh, there's people.
That's a walking stick. We found a new home. This is where we're going to live forever. It's so cute. Do you think bears live in there normally? I hear something. It is cool. Oh, they're so scary. Waterfalls!
Yeah.
Can you hear us? We're in like do not enter areas. Not good. They're gonna kill us. We're at Falls. We've lost Alesha. She's gone up the top. There's so many nice waterfalls. It's so cute. Hold on.
Hi.
I want a kiss.
Oh, sorry.
This is what hiking does to you. Nap time. Upper Lake in the Kananaskis Country. I think that's what it's called. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Yeah.
Yo.